Do you make a special breakfast for the first day of school? That is one easy way to celebrate the everyday, which we love to do around here. RaChelle Hubsmith has put some thought into what your menu could be for that all-important first day of school breakfast. And it's not that we need one more busy thing to do in the morning, so you've made these really doable.
Yes. We are all so stressed out that first day of school, and the kids are too. You want it to be fun, and you really want to start off with a good, positive mindset. So you want to make it a little special for them too. So one of the first ones that I want to show you is how to make cloud eggs. It's perfect for little girls, and I know you have a bunch of little girls.
She would die if I put this on the table. So we'll take a look at the finished plate here. You see the clouds on either side and the fruit rainbow stretched in between. Those clouds from a distance look super realistic. Are they easy to do?
Oh, they are so easy. You're gonna love it. You're gonna want to make them for your little girls. But you do have to separate your egg yolk from your egg white. So I have a little trick. Do you want to try it?
Okay, now I have heard about this trick. Does it work?
It really does, but you have to squeeze it. And
I should learn not to ask, does it work, before I try it, right? You confirm and then I try. So you squeeze it?
Squeeze it.
And then what?
And then just go ahead and squeeze the yolk.
Okay.
And then it comes out.
Oh.
Isn't that perfect?
By
Is that easy?
By George, I did it. That's amazing.
So what you'll do is you'll separate your egg whites first and whip them to stiff peaks. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
And then take that and plop it down.
Just plop us a cloud. Okay.
Yep, and kind of make a well in the center.
Right.
You're gonna bake this at 350 degrees.
My cloud is falling apart, RaChelle.
That's okay. Okay. That's okay. We'll just put a little more in the center to make sure the yolk doesn't fall through.
Okay.
Then you'll make a little well and bake this at 350 for about 6 minutes.
Before you put the yolk in?
Before you put the yolk in. Okay. Then it will come out looking like this.
Yes.
And then you'll put the yolk inside the well. Do you want to do the pleasure?
I would love to. I mean, since I'm mastering this recipe today.
And then you'll just put it back in your 350-degree oven for about another 3 minutes, and it's done.
So in a matter of 10 minutes or less, you've got those darling egg clouds. And you were saying your little guy won't eat eggs unless they're in this shape for him.
Yes, he thinks he doesn't like eggs. And so I wouldn't tell him at first what these were. He's like, what is this?
Yeah.
Protein.
Protein.
Just eat it.
That's a good mom line. Protein. And the fruit in the center, easy to assemble as well.
Yes, easy. So let's move on to doing the pancakes.
Okay.
So little boys, I mean, they're maybe not going to want the rainbow, unicorns, that sort of thing, but you can make them little tulle pancakes or airplane, whatever they're into, maybe sports footballs.
Those are some cute cookie cutters, some cute themed cookie cutters you've got going on.
Yeah, so you know, every mom tries to do some fun pancakes for their kids, right? Yeah. My mom used to always do Mickey Mouse.
I was going to say, we attempted the Mickey Mouse about a week ago at my house, and I hate to say it was a dad fail, but it kind of was. Sorry, honey. It was an A for effort, but those ears just kind of fell lopsided. The cookie cutter holds them into shape.
Yes, yes. Okay. So this is the trick, so that you can kind of get the shape that your kids are wanting. Some of them still, you can tell, like with this helmet. It's a little hard to tell.
Well, that's what that is. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, so some of them are a little easier to tell than others, but you have to make sure you spray them really well with non-cook
spray the cutter.
Spray.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
Or else you are going to have a sticky mess.
Oh, so you're coating it on there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to go ahead and fill it about half full.
Okay. Here's sizzle. Always a good sign. The sizzle and the smell combined will send people running to the kitchen. How are you feeling about that? Good?
That's wonderful.
Okay.
So you can pull it off, and then you have your shape.
Cutest little spatula ever.
Flip it over. It's been cooking for a while.
You know, TV Time does that to a pancake.
Right.
All right, about a minute left. Give us one more idea.
Okay, so your teenagers are having a hard time probably getting back into their routine, getting up, so you need to feed them on the go. So we are going to put their breakfast on a stick. So if they don't have time to sit down, they can just take it and go. So you can make a skewer. You can keep layering it if you want to, so it has that cute skewered look.
What are the layers?
So we're going to take a little bit of Canadian bacon, push it in, and then crack an egg in there. Do you want to go for it?
Well, you're just putting me to work today, aren't you?
And then you'll just bake this at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. And it's great because moms can go about doing their daughter's hair and getting everything else ready. So we'll just throw it together by throwing some toast with it.
Breakfast on a stick. It's a breakfast kebab.
And it's ready to go. Breakfast kebab.
You have brought us some great ideas, and not just us. We have to brag on RaChelle for a minute. You've kind of made a career hobby, out of winning recipe contests. And you won one recently that involved a really delicious burger, is that right?
I did. So do you remember Bo Jackson from the 80s? He always had the Bo Nose commercials.
Sure. Yeah.
So I just won his burger contest. He has a Bo Nose protein.
Okay.
Bo Nose Meat
Say that 50
Company.
times fast,
yeah.
right?
So I entered his contest, and I decided instead of doing a bun, why not do 2 grilled cheese sandwiches, put my patty in between, and bacon jam and bacon, and it won.
Congratulations. What was the prize?
I have to go to the World Food Championship and compete in burger now.
All right.
So
good luck. When is that?
That's going to be in November.
We are cheering you on. So fun. And these ideas reflect that same fun cooking style. Thanks, RaChelle. Happy back to school to you and your family. We appreciate it.